Greece became the husband of the beautiful Helen and the envy of every man around.
But there was one man, Paris from Troy, who would not give up on winning Helen, even after she was married.
I must win Helen's love, I must. Helen, oh Helen.
Yes? Who was there?
I am Paris from Troy. Please come away with me to Troy. Surely you are not happy with King Menelaus, for he is old and tired while I'm young and strong.
No, I love my husband. I cannot even be with you.
If she won't come away with me willingly, then I have no choice.
Paris stole Helen away from her home and brought her to Troy. How?
King Menelaus was heartbroken.
Woe is me, my beloved Helen has been taken from me. Now whatever will I do? Now below. Good morning, King. Are you a powerful man? Handsome, brave, and wise?
He's right. Enough crying. You must fight to get Helen back.
Yes, and we'll help you. We'll go to war to take Helen back. And the Greeks did go to war. The war between the Greeks and the Trojans lasted for 10 years with no outcome. All this over little old me?
The Greeks knew they had to come up with something new, and they needed just the man to do it, young Odysseus.
I have an idea. It is a bit unusual, but I considering my plan.
Odysseus told the king.
Excuse me. Could you try your line again, please?
King Menelaus, I have an idea. It is a bit unusual, but I hope you indulge me by listening to me and considering my plan.
Odysseus told the king and his court his plan.
That's ridiculous! It will never work! A wooden horse indeed!
Enough, Odysseus. I admit you have a strange plan, but since nothing was in place, I think we'll give it a try.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Let's go to work.
The Greeks got to work building a giant wooden horse that they would offer to the Trojans as a peace offering. They would also pretend to sail away from Troy.
But in reality, the Greeks would hide inside the horse and attack the Trojans when they were asleep.
Finally, they were done building the horse. Some Greeks pulled the horse to the gates of Troy and hid inside.
What is this? A giant wooden horse? Here's a note. Trojans, we give up. You win. Here's a gift for you to help me get out of the kingdom. Hot those towers. Still so nice or someone will wait. Within our wall. Call me close through the gate so we can build terrace. Meanwhile, the Greeks were getting impatient inside the horns. It worked! We're going in!
Good thing I'm hot and cranky. We'll sit tight and be quiet. It won't be long now.
The Greeks stayed still until nightfall. Then when the children went to sleep, the Greeks jumped out of the horse. That was the end of Troy.
The Greeks grabbed Helen and brought her back to King Menelaus. And they lived happily ever after. Sure has its price.
Okay, everybody now.